Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. Today we'll learn how to customize the background in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Personalizing your browser can enhance your experience and make it more enjoyable. Whether you prefer a clean look or vibrant designs, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Next, look at the top right corner of the homepage, the menu button. Tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on the option labeled Edit Background. After that, a new screen will appear, showing several background options that you can choose from. And tap on the one you like. Finally, once you've chosen your preferred background, tap the OK icon at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. That's it. Now your Microsoft Edge mobile homepage has a new look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips on customizing your digital experience. See you next time.